Oh my.
Ain't anymore.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out.
Everybody would have to go and use this identity verification for social media. Not a social media, I just wouldn't bother.
Jesus! Fucking Christ!
Details too, TikTok. No, because that'll go straight to the Chinese Communist Party. Yeah, that's right. Nanny state people.
This car is blocking off the lane, so nobody can.
Just roll the bloody thing.
Or push it with your bull bar.
There's two of yous.
And a bull bar.
Just roll it off the road.
You want to let them know?
Just start screaming at him.
You should just get out and start fucking rolling it. Like,
Yeah. If you say so. Oh, there's some more on there.
yeah, it's hay. That breaking one's be easy to just kick off the road.
Oh,
Now they're doing it.
It was that easy, bro. Look at it. It was that easy.
where tax
Wow.
dollars are going.
Tax dollars at work.
Why's this guy going so slow?
Hurry up. You're going to miss me gap.
walk on the footpath, but I suppose now, fuck that.
My phone into my microphone. All right. So now this is Zach and I talking. Okay. Okay. All right. You'll hear him say, "Okay, Dave," and that's like the only part that's understandable. So that's Zach in the whatever language. Okay. And then I come in. All right. Which I think this is French. All right. Les ranches du stardust. All right. Are you ready? Mm-hmm.
Il va tenir ici-là et retourner au ranch. S'il se passe quoi que ce soit, appelle-nous.
Okay, Google, call triple O. Call triple O.
Sorry, who do you want to call?
Emergency services.
Sure, calling people services.
That's not what I said.
Computer? Computer?
Okay, Google, call emergency services.
Here's what I found along your route for services.
Okay, Google, call triple O.
Sorry, who do you want to call?
Hello, computer.
Just use the keyboard.
You can't park there, Dave.
ओ डंग बचपन दे वल गुजरन जदों वाक्य विशराग तू ना से मैनू सब तो सोहना
Oh, you fucking dildo.
Manual recording on.
As well as some hallucinogens.
All personal use. Yeah. So high.
The intent to supply, isn't it?
Oh, you are. Big old.
Yeah, good on you, dickhead. Oh, well done, you stupid fuck. You're a wanker, you're a bloody wanker. You're a wanker, go away.
Video protected.
One eternity later. Much later.
Oh my god!
Stop it!
can't hold it. Where's your sign? Where's your sign, mate? Oh, you're a dickhead. Oh, you asshole.
What the fuck?
You fucking grub! Oh, McLaren?
Beautiful. McLaren 720.
That's one for you, Scotty.
That's an old car. I know what it was.
Move off.
No, I just
Hang on.
Looks like a racing one.
Yeah, it's one of the Dakar versions or something
Yeah,
like that.
4x4.